So the first thing it's asking me for updates. To import data, you change here first to history mode, and then in history mode you can see here data center. You can select the currency pair that you want to use. In this case, to match the capital index or any other of your brokers, you can adjust here. It will ask to rebuild the bars, and so, now is updated. We have historical data for the currency pair euro against the dollar. To start the test, you then change to the testing mode. So you have the currency pair. In this case you only see this one because it was the only one that I imported previously in the previously step. I will open a chart. I will want to test my strategy in the 4 hours chart, so I can change it here. I want that each step is a step of 4 hours. This means each time I go in time there is a new candle, in this case 4 hours. I will show you. I will just have this black on white. So then after you have this, you can start test, and you can start testing for the first date in range from 2001 January, or we can test from some other date. Let's start testing from this date here, 17. Okay, after you have the chart ready, you can press F11, function 11, to see the new candles. Then each time that you find a signal, I will just for demonstration use this. However, you can put all your indicators, like the moving average. I will use net moving average exponential as red, and also use a 20 moving average. Let's change its color to blue. And I can basically include all the indicators that I want to test my strategy manually, so I can feel more confident about my strategy, about this expectancy. To place an order, place pending order. I want to buy, so I have a buy stop. I can choose here, for sake of demonstration, the entry price, the stop loss, just not doing great calculations. And I want my profit target here, let's say. And you can then test. Now you can see that there is a pending order here. You can continue with F11. Okay, it was very quick, but you see the point. Then you have your account history, and that's it. So for the risk management part, where you have to calculate the lot size. Unfortunately, you have to use with the outside tool. You can use an Excel sheet or some other tool, or just doing the calculations by hand. I hope that this is useful for you. Have a nice trade.